No.
YouTube. Hi, Calvin. Look at Calvin, who shows a lot of scalp right there.
How about if I punch in the balls?
You don't want to do that.
How about...
Yeah. That's Calvin.
Hey, do you know who's Charlie?
Yeah, I already know. Charlie freaking Horse.
Charlie Horse.
Yeah, you're fat. Don't call her that, though. She'll kill herself.
No, I'm not.
You're gonna commit suicide?
What?
Yeah, she's suicidal if you call her fat. Hey, everybody on YouTube just saw that, man.
What?
Look at Jacob, he's so sad.
She look like Hawkeye.
Kermit! Dude, speak.
Hawkeye, she's like...
There's a teacher named Miss Pigeon.